Yes, no, I'm just recording this session. What is the topic that we are discussing today? Any guess? Remember, Sakshi was saying something to be completed, right? There's certain couple of topics.
Document splitting and
Document type, external number, internal number, range.
yes.
Okay, that is not the major topic, but this is a major topic, sir. Okay, let us understand what is a document splitting. What you understand, sir? What is a document splitting? At least with the description, splitting.
Splitting means separation.
Separation, or hmm? What
Hmm.
separation? What separation?
Document.
Hmm?
Payment, sir. As per payment terms, will
Document
split the document or
in document what you will have? What is the terminology? What you will say? Each line item, right?
Yes.
each line.
So for example, expenses, you have expenses. Okay, let me take like this: stationary expenses, and you take something called um, some some postage expenses. Okay, these are the two expenses you have it. Now, so this is a debit, of course, and this is your credit. Not credit, sorry, debit only. Now this is your bank account. You're making payment. This is your credit account. Now you tell me. So this is expense account. Definitely, it will get reflected in account assignment. Correct? What is account? To which account assignment? Usually we do. This is the amount. Okay, let us put some amount here. So if you're treating these two GL accounts as cost object, cost element account. I think she joined. Hi Sakshi, welcome back.
Hello, sir. Good
Yes,
afternoon.
yep. So I've just started explaining what is a document splitting. Okay, try to understand. You can mute yourself, Sakshi. Okay, now documents. I'm trying to explain document splitting functionality. So I've just updated two couple of expenses. One is stationary expenses and one is postage expenses. While posting the document, what we'll do? We'll assign what we assign for these two expenses accounts. We are treating these two accounts as a primary cost expenses, right?
Yes.
For a primary,
Yes,
what is the mandate for primary
uh,
cost expenses? We give
cost center
exactly account. We call it as account assignment, controlling account
account
assignment.
assignment.
Okay, account assignment. Now this is your amount, and this is your debit credit indicator. This is your GL account. Okay, description. Now, now cost center. Let us take one cost center here. 100, 100, and I want to use this is for another department. Cost center is a department, right? So I'm incurring expenses for the specific department 100 101. Now this is your account assignment cost center. Let me put direct cost center instead of putting account assignment. Now under cost center, what we assign in the cost center master? What we assign in the cost center master? While creating cost center, do you think we will assign profit center also in the cost center master data?
Yes, sir.
Yes. While creating cost center, we assign profit center also. So for this also, we have 100 profit center and 101 profit center. Now this is your topic. Now if I want to know what is the total cost of stationery expenses, I can go through the respective cost center, and I'll come to know I have incurred for 100 rupees for stationery. For this cost center, postage expenses 100, I'll come to know. Of course, basically if you want to extract data based on your profit center, I'll come to know this much 100 rupees has been incurred for the stationery expenses for this profit center. For this profit center, I have incurred postage expenses for this amount. Okay, but if I ask you one question, I want to execute bank I want to report, I want to extract data for the bank. Now will I come to know what is 200 rupees, for how much what is the 200 rupees incurred for? Will I come to know? What is a 200 rupees incurred for this profit center 100 and for this profit center 100? No, right? There
No.
is no there is no account assignment here because bank is a balance sheet account. This is your expenses account, profit loss account, expenses account. All primary expenses can track your cost relevant account assignments, but not for the balance sheet account. Now the question is, if I want to extract the data for bank by profit center, I cannot. Do you agree? I cannot extract the, I don't know how much amount has been incurred for profit center. I don't know how much amount is incurred for this profit center for the bank account. If you go, if you execute if you execute the I mean, what you say, FBL3 and GL line item report, if I execute bank report, I'll go ahead and execute the bank line item report. Will I come to know? This line item, will I come to know by this line item what is the profits that incurred for this expenses, what is the profits incurred for this expenses, will I come to know with the bank report? No. No.
No.
For that purpose, we are getting that, we are like, document splitting is where SAP has brought this functionality. So what happens is, copy, paste it here. Okay. So there will be one more line item. Okay. One more line item. So copy, paste it. So basically what's happening? This will become 100. This will become 100. Is that clear? Now can I track how much it is incurred for this profit center when I execute the bank account? Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I can extract the data by profit center with the bank account also. For the reporting perspective, I can extract the data. Even for bank account, even for balance sheet account, I can extract the data. But in this case, I can't extract by profit center for the bank account. For that purpose, for the reporting purpose, this document splitting functionality has been enabled. This document splitting functionality, it was introduced in ECC only, but under what do you say, new GL area. Okay, new GL. In SAP S4HANA, by default it is there. But it started with ECC new GL area, classic and new GL. So new GL, it starts with something around ECC 6. Now I'm talking about document splitting. So document splitting will work based on the three dimensions. First dimension is, I already explained here, profit center. Okay, profit center. And second dimension is segment. Third dimension is business area. So 90% of projects will consider profit center only. Very rare companies will use segment and business area. Okay, so my profit center is very mandatory now. If you are using, I mean, it is mandatory in S4HANA, you should use at least one account assignment. Sorry, one at least one dimension. We can call this as characteristics for document splitting. Characteristics. Okay, for document splitting. These are the three different characteristics where SAP has provided for activating the document splitting. Whenever you post any transaction, system automatically will update document splitting. I mean, basically to update your one of the characteristic in your transaction. Have you ever seen there are two views? Anyone knows what are the two views for a accounting document, for any document, for any accounting document? Chari, what are the two views of accounting document?
Header line and line item.
Header and line item.
No, I'm not talking about header and line item. I'm talking about two views. When you open the FB03 document, you will see two views.
General ledger view, currency view. No?
Okay, now you agree?
Mm.
This one?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this view is nothing but when you post any document, this will update. This will get updated. But GL views this purpose, document splitting purpose. GLV is nothing. GLV is nothing but from the GL perspective. From the GL, I mean, when you activate your document splitting, system will update respective characteristic in the line items. Now you understood why we have two views? So there are two views in accounting document. One is entry view, one is GL view. Entry view is nothing but whatever the document you post, it will get updated. In the GL view, you can see it will get update your characteristic of document splitting also. So if you are activating profit center, then system will update your profit center. If you are activating segment, it will update your segment. If you are updating business area, it will update in business area. Okay. Now the question is, if you so why do we need this? Of course, why do we need document splitting? Actually, why? What is the purpose of using document splitting? For the reporting purpose, right? Do you agree? For the reporting, I want to know for this profit center how much it has been incurred with the bank account. I want to extract the bank GL account report with respect to profit center data. So for that purpose only, right? We are activating document splitting. Of course, what do you say? Reporting purpose. So what are the reports, Sakshi? From the accounting perspective, at a high level, what reports we generate usually? Every company has to generate. Sakshi, can you tell me what are the reports that every company has to generate?
That is balance sheet and all. Trial balance.
Exactly. Trial balance and balance sheet. So under balance sheet, what you will have? Assets and liabilities, correct? And what you will have another thing? Profit loss also. Profit loss account statement. So for reporting purpose, every company needs respective basically all the details. I want to analyze my company's financial position by profit center wise. Okay. So in that case, what I have to do? Every document, whatever the document you post, definitely system in the backend, system will update your whatever the characters that you activate for the document splitting. Altogether, I need it for the reporting purpose. So I can prepare a trial balance based on the profit center. I can prepare trial balance based on the segment. I can prepare business area profit loss statement also. I can prepare balance sheet for the even by business area. So basically, you're updating you're activating document splitting so that you get reporting for all the line items for all the GLs. Is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So, cost center is like a business area, right? For different business area, cost center will be different.
Sorry, sorry. Once come once again.
Cost center is like a business area. Like every business area have different cost center, right?
See, not like okay, that is also fine, but better try to understand the definition. What is a cost center? Cost center is a department in a company. What kind of departments you see, Sakshi? Usually, you will see sales department, purchase department, administration department, HR department, inventory department, right? Production department. All these are defined as cost centers. Okay. Now, when you say business area, what is the definition of business area? Business area is a geographical location like Hyderabad or like Mumbai, Pune. These are locations. Agree? Huh. So profit centers again depends upon your business. So if you are like if you are working, I mean for any IT industry company, what kind of profit centers they will have? What are the different business streams? I can say consulting area. I can say BPO area. I can say ITS sector. I can say KPO sector. Okay, so different profit centers will be created. So if you search the definition for a profit center, definitely it will give you the line of business. Okay, the product line. Business area I already mentioned. Segment also similarly to your profit center. I mean segment in my previous company when I was working for one construction company, they were into different businesses like construction business. Okay, construction business, and they were into maintenance business also, and they were into what do you say real estate. Okay. So they purchase the what do you say building towers and they'll sell it to the customers. So the real estate business, okay, and the maintenance business, like maintaining farm, you will see the malls, right? The central mall, forum malls. So they will do the maintenance activity also. So they are treated these different business areas as segments for that company. They have defined this segment for the different areas, for the different business areas. Depends how you define during implementation. So this like, see, if you're working for any implementation, definitely we'll give the standard definition to the client. Now it's client's responsibility. Now they have to confirm if they're happy with the definitions or not. I mean, whatever the interest you define in SAP system, if they're happy or not, that you have to check with them. Now, I mentioned here characteristics for document splitting. This is also one configuration. And second configuration is something you have to, for which document types you want to activate document splitting. Classify the document types for document splitting. Okay, and you have what you say, but very sensitive. This is only what you say, document splitting is only one time activation. Okay, one time activation. And remember one thing, in real time during implementation time you will activate this one. Later deactivating, deactivating or activating again, that is not possible. And if you try to do that also, definitely you will lose your job, because it's very sensitive transaction. Okay, very sensitive transaction. And it's very difficult to tell what will be the impact if you're changing something in the document splitting configuration, especially the activation of document splitting. So every company has to activate document splitting whenever any company, if they go for implementation. And it is mandatory that at least one characteristic will be used for activating the document splitting. Okay, so in short, don't do any changes in the real time. Very sensitive transaction. So these two are there. And also I'll tell you what are the different types of document splitting. First one is active splitting, active document splitting, passive document splitting, and the third one is zero balance document splitting. What is active document splitting? I already explained you here. Okay, let us take another example. Control C. I'll just copying here. I'll put it here. Vendor account or supplier account or business partner vendor. Okay. Now when I have posted in FB60, I posted this document. Now I have activated the document splitting. I want to use profit center as characteristic. So what happens? So after in the entry view, you will post this document. What happens in the GL view? It will add one more line item, and this will also will get added creditor, and this also it will split the line item 100. Again, system will copy your characteristic. Okay, this is your nothing but activate document splitting. Example, is it clear? The same one. What is the next one? Passive splitting, document splitting. So this will inherit from the actual original document. This splitting, it works based on the previous document. Previous in the sense, the original document I can say. Okay, so how So example for passive document splitting is payment vendor to bank account, bank outgoing account. So again, this is your debit, this is your credit, 100 is your entry view document, right? 100. Now this is your original entry view document. Now you are trying to see in GL view screen. In the GL view screen, how it will get updated? So passive document splitting, it refers to the original document. This is your original document. Instead of saying previous document, it will, refers to the previous or reference document or original document, which is called inheritance. Okay, inheritance means you are like referring to the previous transaction or the original document. What happens? Control C, Control V, and of course bank account. Sakshi, able to understand, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is your passive document splitting example. So basically it is referring the original document. What is the last one? Zero balance clearing. Zero balance clearing splitting. In the name itself it is there, right? Zero balance splitting. Zero balance. So do you think the balance? So for this 100,101 has 100 rupees, and 100,101 also has credit line item as well. So both together how much it is? 00, right? For this also 00 only. And basically the balance, the debit credit, you can see for this profit center I can see one debit and one credit. For this profit center I can see one debit and credit. Let me put it like this. I think don't get confused. So put it like this, then you will understand. Fine. So this 100 has both debit and credit also, and this 101 has both debit and credit. The balance, the profit center balance is 0. So system checks whether the profit center balance is 0 or not. For that purpose, we need to add zero balance also. For example, take one example. Take one balance sheet account. Like you posted one entry, cash account, okay, debit, and bank account credit. Okay. Now you posted again some 100. Okay. Here I had given profit center as 100. I had given the profit center as 101. Now do you think 100 profit center 100 has only debit, but there is no credit? I mean, there is no profit center on the credit side. 100 doesn't have credit side, only debit side we have. So for that purpose, for this purpose, what I will do, I'll take the same cost and the same profit center here. I'll put it here. Okay, 100 is same. This one I'll put it as credit. For this profit center debit, for this profit center credit item. Okay, I'll put it as zero balance clearing account. Okay, similarly for this one also, for this profit center I have credit balance. Now I want a debit balance for that profit center, debit 100, and for 101 also we have 0. So basically your system will determine this GL account. Based on the system will check whether the profit center, the characteristic, whatever the characteristic we activated. In our case, we activated profit center. So system checks whether the profit center is 0 or not in the accounting document. If you look at here, it was not activated, right? I mean, sorry, if you while posting the transaction, you will post only two line items. But from the GL perspective, from the GL view perspective, do you think the profit center is balanced? No. From the profit center, if the is the profit center account is balanced? No. For that purpose only, we are activating zero balance also. So this is all about your zero balance document splitting. Any questions? Chari, Sakshi, Divya madam, is that
No,
clear?
sir.
It is pretty
Yes.
simple. Basically it is very pretty simple. For the balance sheet account, we don't have any cost account assignment. That's the reason we are activating document splitting to extract the data, even for the balance sheet line items, because balance sheet line items will come because all the GL accounts here, trial balance, profit loss, balance sheet, you don't see any customers or suppliers. So in the balance sheet, you see as sundry debtors and sundry creditors, not as customers and suppliers. In profit loss account and trial balance, everything is GL account only. Nowhere you see customers or suppliers. You see GLs. Do you agree? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yeah, that's the purpose. That's the accounting essence.
Sir, here in zero balance method,
Hmm?
so here we are not showing any balance in profit center, right? But it should be there now. If we posted any entry into the profit center,
Sir, I'm just
uh,
deleting this one. I have posted like this one document, sir. Now,
uh,
this profit center has only debit balance. Where is the credit balance? When I have activated zero balance, this profit center should get zero, right? That's the reason system is adding two more. System is adding one more line item for this line item as credit with this profit center with the same amount.
but if you add zero balance opposite credit entry or debit entry, it will show it will not show the exact value or balance, right? For this GL.
Sir, you tell me, sir. You tell me now. For this profit center, you have debit 100. If I make
Hmm.
it 100 for same profit center, if I make it credit as 100, now the balance is getting tallied or not for
Zero.
profit center 100?
Zero. Zero.
Zero. That's what we wanted, right? Zero only. So how system will derive? System will derive one GL account automatically. We'll do the configuration. So the GL account will update here. Zero balance account. Is it clear now? No.
My understanding is if we post to anything to any GL, that balance should be
Zero.
same.
Yes. Yes. Give me one example, sir. Otherwise, give me one account. How you want to post one interview? Tell me.
For example, we post
I'll remove
expense
this one. I'll remove this one.
expenditure account
Okay,
data
you're
to cash.
coming. You're coming back to the active
Mm,
splitting. Expenditure expend to the cash account. Okay, let me put it here.
yeah.
Expenses and cash account. Okay,
A
uh,
bank account.
and bank account. Okay,
Mm.
three accounts. So this is your debit, and this is your.
Only one okay, expense account data to bank account.
Okay, remove this one.
Mm.
Bank account. Control X. Control V. This is
Mm.
credit.
Okay, we
Now
posted with 100 rupees, 100 rupees,
100 rupees.
uh,
What is the profit center that you are posting here?
1000.
1000 profit center. Okay.
Uh,
Now for this,
mm.
what is the profit center you are updating here?
So that is same.
1000 same.
Mm.
Then so there is no question of bank. It's both are same. It's but the profit center is getting balanced by itself, right?
Correct.
There is no question at all.
So if we post other profit center, there should be balance in the profit center.
Yes, yes. This profit center, the debit and credit sides got tallied zero balance. It became by itself only.
Mm.
In case if you are updating this as another profit center, now
Mm.
my profit center 1000, my profit center 1000 showing only debit balance, not credit balance. Do you agree?
Yes.
That's what, right? We discussed now. 1000.
But in zero balance method, you are posting again credit to the 1000 profit center, right?
Ha. Come here. Hmm.
Uh, So if we post against the original entry, automatically the
Sir,
profit center.
I'm not updating the cash account or bank account, right? There are two views. In the entry view, you will see this entry.
Okay.
In the GL view, we'll add one more account, which is zero balance account for adjusting the profit center to make it zero.
Making zero is correct, sir.
Hmm.
GL balance we have profit center balance we have to show as it is. Why we are making zero?
This is an option, sir. It's a functionality. It's a functionality.
Mm,
Why we are making zero means why you're making zero here? Why you're putting two line items, debit credit? You can post on only one line item, right?
mm.
Hmm? You can post only one line item, right? Why you're making two line items
No,
here?
no. So I am posting. Initially, debit was posted with 100 and credit posted with 101 profit center. So now balance is 100 in 100 profit center, again 100 in 101 profit center. If you are making zero balance, then this 100 balance will not show, right? It will show only
So
zero balance.
zero balance, I'm not saying that this value will get zero, sir. So account
Uh,
we are triggering for reporting purpose. We are getting one more account to make your profit center characteristic balance zero.
that.
Maybe in the when you start doing practical in the system, you'll understand.
Okay.
But Divya, did you understand Chari's question?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
What he is saying is, if we see, actually, this we use this document splitting mainly for reporting purpose
of course,
to pull report on the
of
basis of
course,
profit and cost center, right?
of course.
So what he is asking is, like, if we give different profit centers for both cash and bank, uh, we are doing the zero balance, right? Even though
Hmm.
we do the balance, do we get the report? That's the question. We'll get the report, sorry sir.
Yes,
అది
yes,
ప్రాఫిట్ కాస్ట్ సెంటర్
yes. You'll
డిపెండెన్సీ
get the
కదా.
report, right?
లైన్ ఐటమ్ వైజ్ మీకు సపరేట్ సపరేట్ లైన్స్ చూపిస్తుంది. ఆ ప్రాఫిట్
Hmm.
సెంటర్ లో ఒక లైన్ చూపిస్తుంది, ఈ ప్రాఫిట్ సెంటర్ రిపోర్ట్ లో ఈ ఒక లైన్ చూపిస్తుంది.
Hmm.
ఓకే. నేను ఏమంటానంటే జీరో చేస్తే బ్యాలెన్స్ కరెక్ట్ కాదు కదా అంటున్నా.
Zero is a
జిఎల్
balance. Zero.
మనం
Sir,
ఆప్షన్ అది కదా, జీరో బ్యాలెన్స్ డాక్యుమెంట్ స్ప్లిట్టింగ్ ఇస్
మనకి
ఫంక్షనాలిటీ.
it's a functionality, right? You're trying to understand this functionality with a zero balance option. If you don't want this option, you can deactivate it. But usually that option is activated usually. So, sir, Chari sir, you want to update only one side of the account always. You don't want the second side. Sir, trial balance. You tell me trial balance, sir. What is trial balance? Both debit credit will be matched at last.
యెస్. యెస్.
Then why you're trying to balance then? In the trial balance, you want both debits and credit. You should get tallied. But profit
హ్మ్.
center characteristic, you don't want to make it balance zero. That's what you're saying.
హుహు. ఓకే. గాట్ ఇట్. గాట్ ఇట్.
Now you got it, huh?
హ్మ్.
If you understand the trial balance logic, then you should understand the balance, the logic of profit center also then here.
సో సిస్టమ్ విల్ పోస్ట్ అపోజిట్ ఎంట్రీ.
Of course, opposite
ఓకే.
entry in the sense for that particular entry,
హ్మ్.
for this entry, for this entry. So you have here 100 profit center, you have here 101 profit center. Now 100 profit center is a debit, but there is no credit. For this one, we are adjusting with another. I'll put it as credit here. So for the same profit center, we are updating. Now 100 profit center is balanced, right, with 100 rupees. You agree or no? With zero
Yes sir.
balance. So for this purpose, okay. Now what should be my GL account? So I'm updating with the zero balance account. I can't update with cash account. Again, the value will get increased. That's the reason we are updating with zero balance account.
Exactly. That is what my question, sir. So if you post again opposite entry in
Sir,
cash
one more
again,
thing.
balance will be
Yes, yes.
less.
And always I'm saying you have two views here. Two views. One is entry view and another is GL view. This is for the actual entry view. This is for the reporting purpose, GL view.
Okay. So opposite entry posting in another GL.
So this will get up. That's what I'm saying, sir. This is your entry view document, sir. I'm not
Hmm.
taking this one then. I'll remove this one here. This is your entry view document. Is it impacting your accounts now?
Yes.
Now I'm trying to check it in the GL view where the document splitting is active, where zero balance is also active. For this purpose, what we'll do? We'll copy here. We'll paste it here. So how it will show? Again, copy it here. Control C, Control V. Okay, but instead of cash and bank, what it will show? It will show as zero balance. Okay, this is
Okay.
another GL account. Now this profit center has both debit and credit. This profit center also both credit and okay. This should be debit here. This should be credit here because already we have debit. So credit. So this credit and this is debit. Now is it tallying your profit center?
Yes.
So any transaction, every business transaction will have entry view and GL view. GL view is specifically used for document splitting. Okay, so it's a very frequently asked questions. What are the different? What is the zero balance, or what is what are the different types of splitting functionalities we have? Which is one is active document splitting and passive document splitting. One is zero balance document splitting. Active document splitting is pretty straightforward. Just it will add some more line items with respect to account assignment. Okay. If you are posting with multiple line items, then it will update with multiple line items. Basically, what it will do, it will update your characteristic. If you are activating profit center, it will update profit center. And passive document splitting, it will refer to the main original document. If this is your invoice, then while passive document splitting, vendor to bank account, this is your actual entry, right? Entry view. For this entry view, it will update your GL view like this. It will refer to the original document. It will refer this document. So it will update the same thing here. Again, bank account. Zero balance clearing, of course, we discussed a lot on the zero balance. So at last, the function, the conclusion is your characteristic. What are the characteristic you define for activating document splitting? That balance will get zero, either profit center or business area or segment, whatever the characteristic you define in the system. So we can activate the document splitting for profit center or segment or business area. Not all together also we can do it, but no one will do that. At least one characteristic will be active in your system. Okay, so this is all about your document splitting. And and document splitting is activated at what level? Document splitting can be activated for company code, yes or no? hmm? Sakshi, can we activate a document splitting for company code?
I think chart of account level.
It's a client level. I can say it is client level. So document splitting, if you are activating document splitting, it is applicable for all company codes, all company codes. That's the reason, because that's the reason I did not told this functionality initial classes, because other people will be so if you're active, if you're keeping as it is, if you are not deactivating your company code, then definitely you will not understand at that moment, right? So that's the reason I am taking this topic last. Now let us check your what do you say, remote desktop connection. Connect. What is this surprise? The user account is currently disabled and cannot be used. For assistance, contact your system administrator or technical support. What you people did with my ID?
Only Sakshi will do. I do not.
No, she
No,
has
sir.
a separate ID.
Yeah.
So, can you give me access, sir, quickly? Uh,
Hmm.
No, sir. You can use. Try once now. It will open.
किसका? आपका?
No, sir. Yours one, because that message is also coming for me also. So
What I
I
have to do?
tried one.
What I
So
have to
it's
do?
okay.
You mean to say you want me to try one more time?
Yes, yes.
Remote desktop. ये कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं हुआ ना यहाँ? What is the password? I don't remember, sir.
Recently, you shared to me, sir.
SP@12.
Hmm.
Is it uh, is it caps or
Small.
SP@12? It's already there, right? Connect.
Hmm.
No, it's not working. Why to edit actually? No need to edit also then. SP@12. Connect. No, it's not working. So uh, let us pause. So I'm just going through all the document splitting configuration settings in the system. So where is that path? Sakshi, you remember where is the document splitting configuration path?
Financial accounting
Hmm?
and financial global setting, maybe. Yeah.
Not global settings, but GL accounting. Under GL accounting, you can see business transactions. Under business transactions, we have
Document.
document splitting. Okay. And document splitting, you can see all the document splitting, what do you say, settings, document splitting configuration settings we have here. So under widgets of document splitting, classify GL accounts for document splitting. This is your first step. Now you have to confirm your chart of accounts. What is your chart of accounts? RAD4?
Yes, same.
RAD4. Okay. Now RAD4, go to the new entries. What are the account group that you have created for RAD4? You have to copy here slash o s not. What is the account group transaction code, Divya? You remember what is the account group transaction code? No answer. Hmm? Position, chart of accounts, RAD4 again. Following, right, Divya? You're seeing my screen, I hope. So these are the four different account groups that Chari has created. What I'll do, Control Y, Control C, or else here account from an account to. So I'll copy here and the category. What is 1000 to 1199?
Assets.
Assets, then expenses. Okay,
Hmm.
this is assets, this is category. So you have to mention which category. So basically you are updating all the GL accounts where you are activating the document splitting. Okay, so this is, you mentioned assets. So do we have assets separate? Assets, fixed assets are there. So I'm just copying fixed assets category here. What is 3000 to 399?
Expenditure.
Expenditure, expenses. Okay, that's very good. Three expenses, 3000 to 399 is expenses. So do we have any category, specific category? So these are the categories where SAP has provided. These are called item category. So expenses, we have separate category. What is this 499, sir?
Income.
Income. And this is income. So select your income category here, item category. So profit loss, basically I'll take it as revenue.
Yes.
And 2000 to 2099,
Liability.
liabilities and others. Okay, liabilities, do we have liabilities here? So there is no specific liabilities here. Okay, so for what we'll do, we'll take the standard balance sheet, belongs to balance sheet only. What is this one? 5000 to 5999, zero balance, company code, cash, vendor. So I don't see anything. There is no specific category, sir. But what GL accounts will define, sir, here? When you say others, right? What kind of GL
I
accounts you'll be
just
trying?
created some. I thought it some non-operating expenditure or
Expenditure only,
tax.
right? Okay, if it is expenditure, we'll take expenses only. Okay,
Hmm.
save it. So what I meant to say is, this is the configuration setting. In this setting, we have defined GL accounts for which GL accounts you want to activate document splitting. So what we have done, we copied from the account group configuration. We have to mention all the GL accounts here, and you have to activate respect. You have to assign respective item category. Okay, SAP provided different standard item categories. You have to assign the item category for your relevant account groups. That's the first setting. And the second setting is this one: classify document types for document splitting. Classify document types for document splitting. So see here, SAP already provided the standard document types here. In case if you are defining some customized document type, like Z1, Z2, Z3, if you are trying to create one new document type, in that case you have to add it here. But by default, for example, if you are posting some FB60 document, what is the document type for FB60? KR document,
Ah,
correct?
care.
KR document. So for KR document, so SAP already added KR document type under document splitting configuration. Okay, these are standard parameters. So this is business transaction and this is a business transaction variant. So SAP provided some variants here. Vendor invoice, standard vendor invoice. Okay, and this is transaction, business transaction. So different business transactions, customer invoice, vendor invoice, expenses, incomes, and so on. So definitely we'll have all the document types. You should have, otherwise system will not update your document splitting. Is that clear? This is also SAP provided document types. If you are creating any new document types, you have to add it here. Now the next part, zero balance clearing account. Now zero balance posting. So what you should do, select this triple zero standard account for zero balance, double click here, chart of accounts RAD4, press enter. So I want to create one account, zero balance accounts. Or do you have zero balance account? Slash O FS double zero.
No, sir.
Why sir? You should have, right? So now this is very now even I have question. Zero balance account should be created as balance sheet or PL account. It's adjustment account, right? It's not income or not expense, nor expense, neither expense or nor income. So it should come under balance sheet. So if you are saying balance sheet, it should come on a liability or asset side. Divya, any inputs?
Assets, sir.
Why asset? Why we need to create a balance zero balance account as asset? Why not liability?
Because we are not able, we are not liable for anyone, no, sir.
Yes. But do you think it's an asset for you?
No questions, no comments. Sometimes even I to get this question like is this account under expenditure or revenue or balance sheet where we have to, that is GRIR clearing account, some clearing accounts.
In real time, Divya, I have created as a liability only, but still I get the doubt. Still I have the doubt. But no one, I mean, see, anyhow, it will be treated as a balance sheet account only. But okay, now we'll see. Uh, oh my God, see, um, where is the question now?
It has given pages answer.
In accounting, a zero balance. Arre? Okay. It went down. Acha, by the time when I entered, it already given. Now we'll see here. The zero balance clearing account in SAP should be generally created as balance sheet account. That's we know. Even I know that. Okay. Because it is not expense, it is not income. Specifically, it is a setup as a clearing account, which means it is intended to have a zero balance after the automatic posting process is completed. Yes, that's correct. We have to create this zero account as a clearing account because one side you will have, see, Chari, you asked a couple of times, right? Zero balance, your profit center, if you're one side of a if one side of profit center has balance, so another side balance you're expecting the value, right? So
Yes,
what
yes,
it should have a clearing account. You have to activate, what you will activate, open item account. You agree? Which means it is intended to have a zero balance after the automatic posting process is complete. There is a breakdown of why how it is used, but I did not answer to my question. The zero balance clearing account is a technical account used exclusively in the new GL accounting in SAP. Goals, its primary purpose is to ensure that a single financial document is balanced. So it's a total debit is equal to total credit. That's what I explained you, right?
yes.
The profit center, not at the company level, but at the profit center level. Mechanism, balance sheet. It's way to stupid. It given everything, but it did not given direct answer to my question. It does not represent a true asset or liability in the ongoing side. It's a temporary holding account. Yeah.
Finally, we did not get answer.
But it resides on a balance sheet and it's classified under clearing account type. Okay. And does not represent a true asset. So, do you mean open item need to be activated? This is my second question. What do you say, guys?
Yes, actually.
You're likely asking if the zero balance clearing should be set up with open item. The answer is yes. Open item should be generally be activated for the zero balance clearing account in SAP. See how smart it is. Divya, you're getting lot of information in AI tools, right? So,
Yes, sir.
so if you, it depends upon your patience now, how much you want to go through. We cleared our doubts. Come back to the. I'll create it under again same question. I'll create it under asset because we are not liable to anyone. Asset, it is our property. Just assume that your property only.
Sir, finally, all clearing accounts will be created
Ha.
balance sheet.
1015. What sir? All clearing accounts? Yes, all clearing accounts will be definitely balance sheet only. Balance sheet. This is assets. Or if you have others won't. No, definitely you are not send it for assets. So this is balance, zero balance. साक्षी समझ में आ रहा है ना? साक्षी गायब हो गया.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Same.
Zero balance. I need to cook, madam. Time is 4 o'clock now. Control data. So zero balance. And what I'm trying to do is open item management. And anything else, sir? Check create bank interest. Give some general. What do you say? G 001.
001.
So field status group G0 is not defined for the status route. Super, excellent.
That give RAD 4 only, sir. That is also general. Mm.
Oh my God. What about other field status groups then?
He will follow only RAT4. He will not select other groups. Sir will follow only RAT4.
Sir, you should have all the groups, sir, because I'll tell you one
Mm.
thing. For the GRIR, you should select GRIR. For the cost accounts, you should select cost accounts related field status group. Okay. For the bank related, you have to select bank related field status group. Understood, right? You should select respective field status group. So in the real time, you can't create one, right? Under
Mm. Correct.
under one field status variant, you will have a number of field status groups. Based on the nature of the GL account, we assign the field status group. For the cost related GL accounts, it will ask you to enter cost center. For the balance sheet accounts, do you think the cost center will ask you? No,
No.
because we are not assigning to the cost center related field status group. We'll assign balance sheet related field status group. So make sure next time don't define like this.
Okay.
Okay, click on save. That is absolutely blunder it is. Sorry to say that, but you have to make sure you have to follow the standard procedure.
Sure,
So
sure.
uh, go to the slash O. See, now come back to the 1015. 1015. Now Chari is a consultant. So definitely, uh, what do you say? We should take class to him.
Bah.
Okay, have defined one zero balance clearing account. Come back, come back. Hmm. Now we assigned the class, we assigned the GL accounts. We copied from the OBD4 account groups to the this transaction, and we also confirmed the document types. I mean, basically, you have to make sure that if you have any new document types, you have to add new document types in this setting. Other than new document types, SAP already provided standard documents by default. Zero balance clearing account, we already created one GL account and we assigned here. Document splitting characteristics for general. So this is very important. Now you have to confirm which one you want to activate, because this is, as I mentioned, this is not at the company code level. This is at the client level. If you are activating something here, it will activate all the company codes. In this training server, I think maybe some hundreds of company codes might be created by the users, right? Like us. So that's the reason. So some people frequently go there and activate, deactivate, activate, deactivate. It will impact your transactions. Okay, what I'll do, I will remove this one. I'll keep it only profit center. Usually 90% of clients will use profit center. They will activate zero balance and they will activate mandatory field. In real time, once it is created, we are not going to touch this transaction. This transaction is very, very, very sensitive. Okay, if you
So,
get, yeah, yep, making subsequent changes to characters can lead to inconsistencies. Now I'm not sure it will work or not. Ha, tell me the question. Ask me the question, Sakshi.
so real time, we are just selecting one element only, no? All three.
Your voice is breaking, Sakshi.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, I'm asking in real time, we are selecting one characteristic,
Yeah,
no?
that
Or
you have to
three.
decide, but they have to decide with your business which one they want to use it.
Okay.
But
Once
that
it
is
is
in the initial implementation, right?
yes,
Once.
during implementation phase only. In between, we can't do
Mm.
anything.
Mm.
After posting many documents, if we can't, maybe in the training server might be activated, but in the real time, you will not do like that, right? You will design the system first. You will make
Yes.
sure what settings you are going to do. Huh. Code generator for available, but I'm not sure because I had seen some inconsistencies here because people are changing frequently. But we'll see if it is working, then we are good. If it is not working, you have to see it in the real time only. So this is for controlling. So we are done. We are done with the configuration settings. The most important setting is this one only. Define document splitting characters for general ledger accounting. And one more thing, activate document splitting, because your initial discussions we deactivated it. See, someone has removed this one also. Activate document splitting and press enter. This tool is a standard one. activate inheritance, because during your passive splitting also it will take from your it will refer to the original document, right? So inheritance. So remove this one. Not sure what is the constant. Someone has created some constant. So here click on deactivation per company code. Go to the position. Uh,
Add for.
RAD 4. Ha. So, but one thing we can do, you have 10 company codes in real time, but client said that for 4 company codes they don't want to use document splitting. So in that case, what you will do, you'll come here and deactivate it. Okay.
Okay.
But this decision is your initial discussion during project preparation phase. Are the company codes without project assignment already in product use? Uh, no, I'm not sure. See, system is not okay. Okay. Inactive. Now it is active mode only. Assign company code RAD for a project. What is it, sir? It is asking to assign project, it seems now. This is a new thing for me. Inactive. Let us see what it is saying. Save changes. No. Put it as no. We'll see. Activate document splitting. So go to the deactivation per company code. Position. Go to the RAD4 and just remove your inactivation option. Don't give any project ID or something. Okay. So now go back to the transaction posting /o FB60. Why, sir? It's not opening any screen. FB60. See, after activating document splitting, it is compiling again. It is rereading everything. It's rereading everything now. Sir, what is your vendor, sir?
Mm. Very
This
good.
is not your company code at all.
Yes. Add for only.
So,
Mm-hmm. 1000,
okay,
10,500. Enter 10,500. 10,500.
10,500.
500. Enter.
What you are saying, sir?
Vendor number. My vendor number.
Which one you want me to take it? Good.
Last, second one. Second one. Mm.
Okay. Test. Oh, this is not a C, it is a test. And date is today's date. Is it open? Period is opened or not?
Yes, sir. Open.
GL account. Is the expense account here?
Huh.
Do you have any other expense account?
I have 3,000 also. I have.
Okay. Use some 100 here. 100 here. Sir, you have two different cost centers. Basically profit centers.
Only one cost center, sir.
Why, sir? /o KS03
Mm.
controlling area, sir. Right for
And for
100, 100,
Cost
right?
center
So to
2,000
1,000, I think.
only.
1,000.
huh?
Only 1,000.
1,000, sir.
1000. Then what I'll do? I'll give us 1001 display.
Mm.
Okay, display. Okay, 1000 is assigned to 1000. So 1000 controlling area is RAD for. I want to create 1001. Okay, anyhow, that is fine. I want to change it to 1001. Do you have 1001 profit center?
No.
Why, sir? /o KE 51.
One.
So profit center also you don't have anything. So profit center 1000 and this is 1001. I'm creating master data, Sakshi. Okay. So I'm just copy. Yes, I'm just copying it. Uh, 1001 profit center. You're copying from the 1000 profit center and yeah, this is okay. Click on activate it. Okay. Profit center display. So 1001 also is ready for us. Just ignore the description, activities, and come back to the cost center creation. So here for 1001 cost center, I want to assign 1001 profit center. Is that clear?
Yes.
Save it. Now come back to the uh, GL account, not GL account, vendor
Yes.
invoice. Why we have two transactions? This is not ours, this is ours. So here two GL accounts I want to give 1000, right? You mentioned 1000, and we have one more cost center as well, 1001. Okay, I want to, so I'll make it here 200 presenter, no amount authorization for customers and vendors. What is this issue, sir?
Um, Tolerance group for employees.
Your favorite transactions, right?
Yeah, user.
So where I should go? Financial accounting, GL accounting,
Same sir, business transaction.
your our favorite transaction, right?
Yes, sir. Directly you can assign to user.
What is the user, sir? 44 SA.
It is not there
Have
here.
you created any tolerance group?
For this username has been changed, sir. Recently he has
Position,
changed.
position RAD for. Have you
Mm,
created anything, sir? RAD
no, I
for.
think.
You created, sir.
Okay.
I'm deleting it. Okay. I'm not assigning anything.
Okay.
Uh, I know what you're going to do. Okay. I've deleted wherever the tolerance group is for. So as of now, we don't have any tolerance group for your company code, and we don't have this ID 44S. I don't see anywhere here. Okay. It's not assigned to any tolerance group. So what we'll do, we'll go to the vendor invoice and presenter. Why this is asking like this? Click on simulate
We have to
We have to do.
slash
starting.
n fb fb 60
Yes, this
fb
is it.
60 1002 9 test amount 200. I'm just giving some nominal amount 3000 3001 amount 100 and where is your favorite field 1000 1001. This profit center will update automatically because it's speaking from the cost center. Okay, what is our
Okay.
document splitting characteristics? What characteristic we define?
Profit center.
Yes, it's an option for you. Now click on simulate. What is the issue, sir?
Same tolerance group.
Why tolerance group? We already defined it, right?
Deleted.
We don't want na.
Hmm.
Because we already removed it na. Then why it is asking? Have you defined any tolerance group here, sir? I hope you have
Yes.
defined here also.
Yes.
Hmm? That's the reason, sir. That's the reason. Because we are
Okay.
processing a vendor transaction, so system will expect a vendor related tolerance group, not a GL related tolerance group. Now press enter. Press enter. Is that saved? Saved only, right?
Yeah.
Then why it is asking again? So I have to come out slash n ab60. Shit. Why this is coming frequently? No amount authorization for.
Amount authorization. Oh.
You deleted for only one customers vendors. Again, employees will be there, sir. Employees also will have group for employees and check once user also.
No, sir. It will be the same. There is no drag for now. Here also it will be the same transaction. It is same transaction, sir. You don't expect. I mean, this is
No.
not separate one. It's the same transaction only.
Okay. Okay.
But system will expect at least one entry for company code, na? That's the main problem. So you have deleted it, na? I mean, basically I've deleted the group one, but you need one, at least one entry. Okay. Now it should work, sir. Go to the vendor invoice, press enter, slash n AB60. Now if it is not working, na, then we'll take a break. I need to have something. Feeling hungry. Anything else? Simulate. Oh my God. Now system is saying to proceed with the posting, sir.
Yes.
100, 100, 200. Click on post. Now we'll see. See here. Document splitting is getting activated, but I'm not sure that it will work or not. See, compiling SAP. If this is document splitting, it's reading the programs. It is reprocessed everything. The entire system is reprocessed now. If someone is changing something in the document splitting configuration, then again it will read from the beginning all the programs. But I'm not sure it will work here. But we'll see.
So this is interview.
हाँ, this अभी मैं post नहीं किया. We'll see. So when you click on document Sakshi, click on display. I mean menu document display. So you will see the entry view. See, entry view is there. Fine.
Yes, sir.
31, 40, 40, two expenses and one vendor line item. 200, 100, 100. Debit, credit. And you can see the respective cost center and profit center. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now click on GL view. Now what should happen? This vendor account you should have couple of lines. Yes.
So
See here, vendor will update in sundry creditors account, GL account. Yeah, what you say, your reconciliation account, vendor related to the reconciliation account. It has been updated with two reconciliation accounts. I mean basically same reconciliation, but it's a two line items. Now it's have been updated. See 1001 and 1000. Now is it clear? Four line items total. See 1000 and 1001. Got it? Any questions, sir? Divya, Sakshi, Chari.
No questions.
Sir, have you seen in the GL view? See what happens in the GL view. Your vendor will get updated against your this one. Okay, now we are in the entry view, right? Double click on this vendor account. This is your GL reconciliation account, right?
Yes.
For this vendor, this is a reconciliation account. So in the GL view, it will update with this GL account only. Okay. So click on GL view, it will update with that GL account 2000 only, reconciliation account. Now Sakshi, she is thinking I never observed this one, right Sakshi?
yes, sir.
कभी कभी observe नहीं किया ना?
What?
In real time, when we are posting invoices in real time, so whenever we are clicking on the general ledger view, we post it to vendor, but where it comes, this 2000 GL, we were surprising at posting in end user level. We posted to vendor, but how this GL comes in picture? Now it is a reconciliation account where we updated while creating vendor.
Huh. Answer is with you only, sir. While creating
Yes.
vendor master, You are
Mm.
assigning the GL account, reconciliation account. The same reconciliation is getting updated. Sir, again going back to the trial balance sheet, profit and loss, do you see vendors anywhere?
No.
What you will see then instead of vendors?
General ledger, sundry creditors are from
Obviously, that's
vendor.
the purpose, right? That's the main
Group
purpose.
level, yes.
Hmm.
There will not see individual subledgers like different vendors or suppliers, customers.
Sir, accounting, sir, again. Okay,
Mm.
you're asking accounting question now. Now you're SAP professional, senior con in Accenture. Divya, you got it right. Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is your active splitting. We'll see for this one, we'll try to make payment. Slash O F dash 53, Control C, Control V, and the payment. What is the payment? 200 rupees. And do you have bank account, sir, or cash account at least?
Yes, sir, I have um, HDFC.
Very good. And anything else? System will ask you. Which one you took, sir? Second one, right?
Huh.
So click on process open items. The RAD 4 is missing in T. The enter RAD 4 is missing in table T043G.
Same tolerance group.
What is it? Tolerance group, sir?
In GL level, I think, sir.
Oh, sir.
We
Not
deleted
sure.
na, in GL level.
No, sir. Maybe this one also. I think. You have any company code RAD 4 here? At least one entry is required here. Company code RAD 4. I'm just saving it. Okay. I'm
Hmm.
not updating anything. What you are saying, sir? At the GL level,
Hmm.
you already defined RAD 4. No, here also we don't have any.
Hmm.
This and it already exists. It seems. Okay. But why I was not able to see RAD 4?
Yes, it is there.
There. Okay.
Hmm.
Come back and check for this one also. This is only group GL accounts. No need to have it, but we'll see. Do we have? I've deleted it.
Deleted.
Now go back to the payment. So this is 200 is this is right? KR. This is what we posted. Okay. What I'll do? I'll make it this one deactivated and this is activated now. Document simulate. Okay. So click on post. See, balancing field profit center Laneta 000 not field. Sir, have you activated anything profit center? I'm expecting some inconsistencies here.
Hmm.
So what we'll do? HDFC, double click HDFC. So how many line items you have? Not sure. See, making the okay document simulate. Uh, this is vendor to bank here. So vendor account will not have anything, but you are making mandatory for the each GL account. But if I maintain here, profit center is it's saying profit center is mandatory now. It has to get it from the. So I'm just for time being I'm just giving 1000 here. We'll see how it works. Okay, click on. Not sure. This is misleading actually. Document got posted, but 1000 I had given for the bank account. Okay, had given profit center as 1000 for the bank account, but your line item should come from your active splitting. So go to the GL view. Vendor line item. Where is vendor line item? This one and this one. Two line items are coming from 1000 and 1001. That's fine. This 1000 and this is 1001. That is coming from your your previous transaction, right? Original transaction. Anyhow, your bank account has 1000 and the bank account, this bank account credit, right? This bank account, on the debit side we need one account to make it balance zero. For that, system brought your zero balance account also. We had seen here, we can see zero balance also. Is that clear? Try to understand this transaction now. So what I mentioned, your passive splitting will come from the your passive splitting lines, like vendor line items are coming from your original invoice 1001, 1000 and 1001. Now in the current transaction, what I have done for the bank account, I had given as 1000. Now bank account has 1000 on the credit side, but now 1000 needs debit side also, profit center, to make it balance zero. So for that purpose, system has brought zero balance. Okay, little confusing, right? Not little.
For HDFC, 200 is there, na, sir.
Ha,
But we have given sundry creditors as 100. The remaining 100 is posting to zero balance account.
ha,
That is that is okay, clear. Because to knock off that, system is bringing the zero balance
yes,
account.
yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
Now let us test one normal scenario, zero balance clearing account. I want to test that one. Slash n FB50. Let us take some simple example. Posting date. This is not our company code, sir. PM1, RAD4,
Yes.
GL account, not expenses. I want something cash and bank balances, bank account and cash account. Okay. So what I'll
Okay.
do, I'll take, okay, any balance
HDFC.
statistics. Okay. So what I'll do, both bank account I'll take it. In the Excel sheet, I had given one example, right? We'll try to test that scenario. Giving two different profit centers. Okay. This is your 1000. I'm not sure, but we'll see. 1001. Have you enabled the profit center also, sir? 1001. Okay.
Uh,
Debit and credit. So this one 100, this one 100. I don't think so. I think you have not enabled it, but we'll see. Simulate. It's getting posted. Post. That is fine. Document got posted successfully. That is very interesting. So two GL accounts with the two different profit centers. Now this profit center doesn't have credit balance. This profit center doesn't have debit balance. So in the GL view, what happens? Your zero balance will come into picture. This makes sense. This is very clear. Happy?
yes, sir.
साक्षी समझ में आया?
I got this one, but previous one was passive or what?
हाँ, passive का system will consider from the previous transaction, your vendor line items. Okay, vendor reconciliation.
Okay, previous one what we are seeing 200 वाला example,
हाँ
that
हाँ,
was
passive वाला था. First one वाला था वो
in
active splitting.
passive also,
Sorry.
in passive also they are considering zero balance, right?
हाँ
For clearing.
हाँ, because the reason why, because I have manually have given the profit center for the bank account. Because the reason is you have made profit centers mandatory in your document splitting configuration. So system is expecting profit center to be updated in the while posting the transaction. So I've updated as 1000. For 1000, for that 1000 also system is triggering to balance out the zero balance. So it's triggering zero balance over there. Okay. Answer to your question is your first active scenario, and this zero balance is pretty straightforward. But your passive scenario will come from your previous transaction. Anything, if you update something manually in your while posting the transaction, system will update zero balance also for those manually posted line items. Okay. You want to, Sakshi, you have to practice once, okay? Then you will understand in the system what is happening. Divya, you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Divya always says yes, sir. I don't know whether you understood or not.
No, I understood it, sir.
Okay, good, very good. So, so we are done with the classes, but what I will do, I'm exploring the topics like I have explored this document splitting also, right? So I will explore more topics and I will record the sessions and I will distribute every all the class. I mean, basically to all the trainees, including you. Okay, there are something some advanced topics also. I'm just researching those topics. It's
Okay. Sir, what
Chari.
about the
Chari,
external document?
shall I give you Chari? Shall I give you one task to you?
Hi, yes, sir.
Tell me the external document, sir. External document type.
How it will work? This.
You should tell me now. You should research and tell me how it is working. You should
Oh,
take that. The next class will
okay.
be Divya and Sakshi. Next class will be taken care by Chari
Sorry, sir.
for
Ah, sir.
explaining for explaining
Senior.
document type.
Mm.
Okay, sir. Okay. I will
Huh?
do. Okay, I
Mm.
will do.
You will do
Yeah.
slash F OBA7, right? Document type. New entries, or else you can take position, essay document type. Take this one, copy it, take ZA document type, create one document type, and uh, click on. Okay, this one will give some 99 number range. Click on number range information. Go to the RAD 4, RAD 3, change intervals. Why? What happened, sir?
RAD 4, RAD 4.
Ah,
You gave 3.
RAD 4, create a new interval, which is what is the number I had given? 99,
90. Yeah, 99.
2025, and this one is what is the next number? 1300 to 1400. Here
Yes.
you have external. So whenever you post any transaction, Divya Sakshi, just listen carefully.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you post any transaction, system automatically assign the next number. If I give
Mm.
external, now system will ask you assign the number. That's the difference. Okay, continue. So whenever you post any document, now system will ask you the number because since I have activated the external number range. Now go to the slash n fb50. Now what I will do? Go to the document type. Sorry, this is 9. Document type have to change here. How to change this document type? Anyone can tell me? Click on editing options. Click here. Ready for input. Click on change here. Come back. See how many fields are there. You will get mad understanding all these fields, right? See each functionality one field. So just imagine SAP is very big, vast application. It won't, I mean, the time, I mean, for the next 10 lifetimes also it is not enough learning SAP application. For each button, for each checkbox, right? You have to understand the scenario. Chari, will that
Yes, sir.
possible to
Yes.
come? You will try to explore all these options? You want to?
No, sir. I can't.
Sir, you have to, sir, because you're a senior consultant now.
Ah, don't say sir. Senior,
You are getting
senior.
scared, huh? Whenever I say you are getting scared, right?
Yes, yes.
Sir, 1000 what is balance sheet account, right? But
So
system will ask
document
you.
type not changed.
Very good. Z9. What is the document I had given? Z9, huh?
GA.
Z, right? What Z, sir? I don't see Z at all. Uh, have you defined it? Have you saved it? ZA only, sir.
Hmm.
But do we have that ZA now? Do we went gone away? There is no ZA only.
We didn't save.
99 number range, right?
Yes.
Okay, so always better what you do, don't create on your own. Always refer to the, let me say once, refer to the standard document, a copy always, because standard parameters will get copied, right? Copy and give ZA now. and change the number range 99. Correct?
Okay. Right.
Now this is fine. Click on save. Now come back to the posting. Where is the document? Here. We have document here. Now this is ZA. Press enter once. See, enter document number from number 99 to 2005. It is asking me to enter the number range. Sakshi, now it is asking enter the it is asking us to enter the number range. So what is your first document under FBN1?
1300.
So double click here. Your this one number range information. Go to the 99. Whatever you define it. I have defined 99 1300. Can you give something random number here? That I don't know. That I have to see. I'll give something 1350. Press enter. So incorrect document. Select number range between 1300 to 1400. Okay. So what?
We did correctly.
But select document number between 1300 to 1400. But system is not like 1350 is also between 1300 to 1400 only, right?
Yes.
So give
Yes.
1300 only. Incorrect document number.
Try.
So the document number you specified is not the appropriate number range. Uh, huh? Why this one is coming into picture? ZA, sir, have you okay? No, have we okay? This is something strange again. This is completely strange for me. We had given the document type. Incorrect document number 1300. Select document number between 1300 to 1400.
1301 will give.
Why, sir? Why this is giving the document number you specified that is not in the appropriate number range? We have that only, right, sir? See, 1300 to 1400. Maybe 000. That's what it is saying.
We
I
did
hope,
1300
I
also.
hope,
We
I
did.
hope, I hope this is zeros also it is considering then. No,
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 no, no, no, no,
no,
no,
sir.
no,
sir.
no, no, no.
Mm.
This is a basic scenario, sir. It's very, very basic scenario. It should work. Uh,
Second line, the something it is there, sir. The exception to this rule formula, third number x1, which means x.
okay, okay. Maybe in the document type configuration /n OBA7. I think maybe system expects it's already opened. Okay, uh, here I can use another document type. Okay, let us create one more document for reversal document type, or else I'll use the same thing also. That's the reason, might be reason, because AB entry does not exist in T003. Yeah, this is absolutely blunder. What I'll do, I'll remove this one, press enter, save it. Okay, so I'm just I have removed reversal document type because system is the reversal document type as the internal number range. That could be the reason, but we'll see. Cancel it, cancel it. Come back to the entry posting, press enter. Let me post it again, but we'll try once. /n FB50. The time is getting 440. Yeah. Why cost center is required? Not required, na? But profit center definitely we need to give. I have to change this one, right? Z document
Z.
type. Press enter. Enter document number range number from number range 99 for year 2025. So system is
Okay.
expecting document number here. So 1301. I want to enter. I'm getting this message, sir. What is this message? It should not throw this message. I already given external number range. Then so system should give the number range here. See, external number range AB50, but the number you entered is not available within the valid range for the document type. Valid range of the document. That your number you entered is not available within the valid range of the document type. Hey, this is something. Maybe this is expecting some this one or what? What do you say? Uh, maybe this one. It's not reading all zeros. Huh?
అట్లా ఉండదు సార్ అది. నో నో. ఈవెన్ దో దేర్ ఇస్
Maybe.
zeros ఆల్సో.
Huh? But why it is why it is why it is saying
Z
that?
might be it's not considering zero, sir, because here we have selected external. For rest of all, we have not taken any external, so it took by
Yes.
default zeros.
Yeah, yeah. It should work actually. 1400. Huh?
Hmm.
I think problem with reversal document type only, sir. We have to
I
create one.
removed. I have removed it out, right? I have removed the reversal document type. Nineteen. I removed the document type completely. If I remove, what happens? Usually it will take it from here only. But again, external number range, reversing the external number range document, that you have to test it. So here I've changed it to right now number range right for display. So we have this one now 1300. So external number range. Okay.
Okay.
Now we'll see. I had just inserted padded zeros also. This is called padded zeros, the infinite zeros. Leading, you can say the leading zeros or padded zeros. It's a technical word. Uh, now press enter. Ha. Now it's working. See, looks like
Upward. But when we are using internal, it is not means showing the zeros in the document
see
number.
document got
Ah, by
see,
default
see
it is picking.
maybe maybe I think so. I think so. Let us try one more item. Debit. We are in AB50 only, right?
Hmm.
Why I'm trying to post with one line item? No one is telling me. Anyhow, system is not throwing any error, right? Okay. So I want to change this one to GA. Press enter. Okay. System is expecting document number to be entered. I'll take a second document. See, click on post. Posting without line item is not. So system is asking first to enter the after entering posting the document, you have to enter the document number also. Then enter the line items. That's what it is saying. Clear?
Oh, okay, okay. We have to give an document
So,
number, then enter the GL
where you
details.
enter the document number? Where you enter the document number? It's getting populated only. Okay, editing options. Do you have document number here? User field defined currency enter GL account number always use posting as space display. Default document currency, default company code, automatic ISR, do not copy, calculate, document not cross code, document only level. I don't see anything, any option here to enable this document number initial screen itself. No, it's not coming. Okay, we'll try to do one more time. Debit, credit, 100. Sorry, sir, you have to try. Okay.
Okay.
Now you should tell me us test and what I'll do. I'll try to click on post. System will throw. Oh shit! What is the mistake I've done? I did not
Document type.
change. I did not change the
Document type.
ZA 2001 1012 and debit and credit. Control this one. This is not 1000.
Cost center.
Profit center 1001, 1001. Here test. Now this one I've changed it. Click on post. System will ask is this is getting enabled later. So now 1002. Now again enter the GLs here. So debit, credit, amount 100, amount 100. This is completely Sutti. Sorry. So I'm entering document number 1302 posted. Okay. Click on post. Yeah, updated, sir. Sakshi got
Mm.
posted 1302. Basically, you have to that field should get enabled, and then you can after entering the document number, you have to proceed entering the line items. That's the conclusion. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, Sir, I will tell you one topic. You have to prepare. Okay.
Okay.
Topic is I'm just exploring this topic as well. You try for this one. Cash journal. What is cash journal? Is a petty cash account. Is a cash journal. Okay. Let Google do the description. Cash journal is a petty cash. Okay. Petty cash. Which is used for petty cash book. Now you should tell me how we are what do you say uh, what are the different configuration settings required for the petty cache book functionality in SAP. That is your homework, sir. Sorry, sir. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Even I don't know. I'm exploring the configurations now. Fine. Divya,
Okay.
you too want one functionality? No, sir.
After SDL, take